We've got rain to clear the south and east. That will do that this morning. And then for all of us, it's a mixture of bright spells, sunny intervals and a few showers. As we go through this week, though, it's warming up once again. I'll have all the details shortly. This picture isn't soggy, but if you're in the south of England this morning, it's very soggy. But this is just telling you that as we go through this week, particularly so the second half of the week, once again, it is heating up. Now, we're looking at temperatures widely heating up, but in the south, we could have into the low 30s once again. This morning, though, it's a cooler start to the day. We've got all this rain, and it's heavy rain. If you're traveling today, bear that in mind. There'll be some very large puddles, but it is going to clear. It will clear through the course of the morning from the south and the east. And then for most of us, we're looking at a day of bright or sunny spells and just a few showers. So most of those in the north and the east. In the east, some of those could be heavy with the odd rumble of thunder close to the coast. We could catch one or two in Northern Ireland as well. Temperature-wise, though, well, it's going to feel fresh in the north. Temperatures 15 to 18, but it'll feel quite pleasant in the sunshine further south at 22. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, many of the showers will fade. You can see them careering down the east coast. We'll have some clear skies as a ridge of high pressure builds in, but we'll also start to see some thicker cloud coming in from the west. These are our temperatures overnight, 7 to about 12 or 13 degrees, but in the countryside, a little bit lower than that. So tomorrow we start off with a lot of dry weather, a fair bit of sunshine. We've got a bit more cloud coming into the west. That could introduce some patchy light rain and drizzle across western Scotland and Northern Ireland, slowly drifting eastwards through the day. And these are the temperatures. We've got 15 to 24 degrees. Sal and Ben.
Carol, thank you very much. We'll see you again very soon.
We've got rain to clear the south this morning, and then for most of us it's going to be a day of brighter sunny spells, a few showers in the north and the east. But as we go through this week, once again, it's heating up. I'll have all the details later in the programme. We've had some really heavy rain. There's some large puddles around. That is clearing away in the next couple of hours. Then it's going to brighten up, and all of us will have a day of brighter sunny intervals with just a few scattered showers across the north and the east. But in the east, they could be heavy and thundery. So this is the picture at the moment. You can see the rain slowly edging away from the southeast. We've got showers in Wales, showers across eastern parts of England and Scotland, but already some breaks in the clouds. Some of us are starting with some sunshine. Now that rain moves away before 10 o'clock. So if you're going to Wimbledon, it should be dry. There's an outside chance that's all of a shower. A lot of dry weather, but it is in parts of the north and the east that we could catch some through the afternoon. And as I mentioned, along the east coast, some of those could be heavy and thundery. But as we go into the early part of the evening, a lot of dry weather, some fair weather cloud around, a lot of early evening sunshine. Here are the showers across eastern areas. We'll see a few of these in the southern uplands and also across Northern Ireland. But to the north of that, across northern and central Scotland, again, there'll be some sunshine to start the evening. Through this evening, the latter part and then the overnight period, the showers push southwards. We'll see some clear skies, but we'll also have the first signs of a weather front coming in from the west. It's going to be a fresh night ahead. So tomorrow we start off with a lot of sunshine. On the breeze coming down the east coast, we could at times see some cloud just flirting with the east coast. Whereas in the west, we've got a weather front coming in. That will bring thicker cloud into Northern Ireland and western Scotland, and also some patchy light rain or drizzle, slowly moving eastwards. And our temperature is 15 to 24 degrees. For Ben and Sal, it is going to warm up once again this week from midweek.